In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. In this video, we will describe the scientific facts that is mentioned in the Quran 1400 years ago. The first fact is the victory of the Romans and the lowest point on earth. Allah says in Quran, the Romans have been defeated in the lowest land, but after their defeat, they will soon be victorious. Within 3 to 9 years, the decision of the matter before and after is with Allah. The reference is Quran. These verses were revealed around 620 CE, almost 7 years after the severe defeat of the Christian Byzantines at the hands of the idolater Persians in 613. The second fact is deformation of petrol. Allah says in Quran, glorify the name of your Lord, the Most High, He who created and molded, He who determined and guided, He who forth green pasture that makes it black and stubble. The reference is Quran. As we know, petrol forms from the remains of plants and animals in the sea. Once these have decayed on the sea bed after millions of years, all that is left are oily substances. The three elements identified in the first 4 verses parallel. The formation of petroleum. It is quite likely that the term al-mara, meaning pasture or meadow, refers to the organically based substances in the formation of petroleum. The second key word in the verse is ahwa, which is used to describe blackish green, greenish black, dark or sooty colors. This word is describing the waste plant matter accumulated underground gradually turning black. The above 2 words are supported by the third word ghulam, which is translated as stubble, which refers to plants brought together by waste being collected and dispersed around villages, rubbish, leaves or foam. In addition to the connotation of vomiting out implied in the word, it may also be translated as to flood forth vomited matter, and describes the way that the earth vomits forth petroleum. In fact, in the light of the formation of petroleum, the way it emerges, its foam-like appearance and its color, one can better see with what wisdom were employed the words in the verses. The third fact is creation from clay. Allah says in Quran, we made every living thing from water. Will they not believe? The reference is Quran. In this verse, Allah mentions water as the basic element of the creation of every living thing. Today, science proves that every living thing is made up of cells, and these cells consist of 80% cytoplasm, which in simple terms is water. This might have seemed odd from the people of that time, as there was no science to prove it, but today science proves this fact, which Quran mentioned 1400 years ago. The fourth fact is the proportion of rain. According to Quran, rain is sent down to earth in due measure. It is He who sends down water in due measure from the sky, by which we bring a dead land back to life. That is how you too will be raised from the dead. The reference is Quran. Modern science has discovered this measured quantity of rain. It is estimated that in 1 second, approximately 16 million tons of water evaporates from the earth. This figure amounts to 513 trillion tons of water in 1 year. This number is equal to the amount of rain that falls on the earth in a year. This means that water continuously circulates in a balanced cycle in a measure. Life on earth depends on this water cycle. Even a minor deviation in this equilibrium would very soon give rise to a major ecological imbalance that would bring about the end of life on earth.